So in today's video, we're going to be doing a pack with me for college. I did a how to pack your closet for college last year and you guys really liked that. So if you guys want to check that out and want a little insight and tips on how to pack for college, go ahead and watch that video. Today it's going to be a little different and a lot more trying to figure out what I actually need to bring because I have a lot of stuff, and because of this year it's gonna be different because, like, you know, basically quarantine online classes. I'm like struggling to figure out if I should bring certain pieces of clothing because of that whole situation. So in today's video I'm just gonna literally have you guys pack with me. So yeah, I can't believe that next week I already go back to school. Even though we've been in quarantine for 5 months, it's still so crazy that I already go back next week for my senior year of college. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so I have my rack here of different pieces of clothing that I'm thinking of bringing. I have a ton of clothes on my bed that I'm trying to figure out what to bring, and I also have a bag down below here of some other stuff. So I probably will give you guys some tips coming from like a college senior, and then also trying to figure out what I need to bring because I am struggling right now. The first thing that I think for sure must is a sweatshirt and some zip up hoodies. You guys saw these in my back to school clothing haul. This one is just from the Mayfair group. So I am bringing a few sweatshirts and a couple of zip up hoodies. I said this in my last video too, but no matter what school you guys are going to, I go to school at University of Arizona, still sweatshirts are very essential because of course if you go to school where the climate's colder, you need sweatshirts. And then even if the weather is warmer, when you're in rooms that are really cold because the AC's on, you're definitely going to want to cozy up in like a sweatshirt and anything like that. So those are like a for sure a must for me, so I'm bringing those. The next thing, which is also a must, is loungewear. So I got a couple pieces from Sabo Skirt, which I'm obsessed with, like tons of different like loungewear pieces. So I'm definitely going to take a lot of loungewear. I got another loungewear set because since everything is virtual, I wanted to get cute, comfortable clothes I can study in so I could still be motivated. So I got like some sweats from Old Navy that are like this cute blush pink color, and then these cute little tie-dye pink shorts also from Old Navy. This really cute cami tank from Amazon that I bought it in more colors recently because I'm so obsessed. So I got a lot of that. So you definitely want loungewear pieces slash pajamas. So these are a lot of my pajamas and other things like that. But I'm definitely taking a lot of loungewear and pajamas since that's pretty much all I'm going to be wearing like on a day-to-day basis. And if you guys saw my back to school clothing haul, you guys would have seen that I tried to return this sweatshirt because of the red on red, and they didn't let me return it even though the website said I could. So yeah, unfortunately I can't return this, but whatever. I'm still just gonna keep it and wear it maybe for just around the house. And included with that is also t-shirts. So I'm trying to really limit myself on how many t-shirts I bring this year because last year, same thing. Since freshman year, I have always recommended the advice of limiting t-shirts you guys bring because of the accumulation of t-shirts you'll get throughout the year and all of that. And every single time I try to downsize, I still am left with a whole drawer of t-shirts that I don't wear because I always continue to wear the same ones. So this year I'm really gonna try to downsize on the t-shirts I bring, and then also get like a different separate bin of like my sororities t-shirts to give away to some girls this year. So I have to make sure I separate those two of like, okay, this is what I'm going to give away and then this is what I'm actually going to keep. So I'm definitely going to take just a few t-shirts because I also like wearing those for bed as like pajamas and stuff, and just for lounging around the house. And the next thing that's for sure a thing I'm going to bring is athleisure. So I have all of my like Lulu leggings and then a lot of my Lulu shorts. These are also something that I wear pretty frequently, and I would wear these to class a lot, and I think I might end up like wearing these less this year just because of, you know, staying home and doing everything online. But I'm still gonna bring all of them because I wear this for when I work out, and my black leggings, I seriously like live in them at school. So all these athleisure pieces are for sure a must. And this year I got a few sports bras from Set Active, so in a couple other colors. So I got these bright colors and then these neutrals for sports bras this year. So all that stuff is for sure essential, is to bring athleisure. Okay, next is pants. I'm going to bring, I think, 4 different pairs of pants, or actually 5. So here are the pants I have. So I love mom jeans so much. My favorite are from Abercrombie. So I have my regular blue wash denim mom jeans there, and then I just recently ordered some in black. So I have those that are like jeans that I do wear, and then also these blue wash ones with the zipper on the side. I'm struggling with those. I'm like, am I actually gonna wear these this year? Because we can't really go out this year, so it's hard to figure out if like, okay, you need to bring it just in case you actually are going to need to wear some jeans and not just like pajamas every day. And then also I'm like, okay, am I actually gonna wear it though? So that's what I'm struggling with. But also some simple plain black skinny jeans for student teaching, even though that's also virtual, but maybe for next semester. And then also blue jeans with these red stripes on the side, also for student teaching, but maybe for next semester. So those are my 5 pairs of jeans that I wear the most when I wear jeans. So I'm gonna take all those 5 pairs. All right, next we have denim skirts and shorts, and this is another dilemma. So this is all my skirts and shorts that I normally wear in normal circumstances. So I don't want to have like a drawer full of stuff that never gets touched this year, but I also, like I said, the just in case scenario. So I think 2 shorts is perfect. So I have a pair of normal blue washed high-waisted shorts and then black shorts for maybe if I'm gonna go to the pool or something. Shorts, you know, you need to have some shorts. So I have my denim shorts there, and then I have a few denim skirts in different colors. So I have black, 2 blue ones, white, and then I have this skirt that I got from Princess Polly that is so cute. I got this before summer this year. I was really excited to wear it, but never had the chance to wear it because, you know, stayed in home all summer. So I want to take it just in case, because maybe take some Instagram pics eventually this year. So I think I'm just going to take that also. So that's for skirts. And then moving on to denim jackets. So I have a few denim jackets here. I have 2 blue ones. I had a normal like blue ripped distressed jacket, but I didn't wear it at all this past year, so I don't think I'm gonna take it. This one I wear the most often, so I think I'm gonna take this cropped one. And this one's just really cool. The color blocking is really cute. So I'm trying to see if I should bring this, because I could wear this for Zoom meetings when I student teach as well. So I might take this just because it's not so distressed like the other one. That one might be the most appropriate. So I'm gonna take these 2 blue denim jackets and then these 2 black jackets. So this one's my all-time favorite jacket. It's still probably one of my favorite pieces in my closet that I got a few years ago from LF or no, Carmar Denim, one of the 2. And I'm so obsessed with this. It has like the leopard zipper on the side. It's distressed, it's oversized. It's my favorite. So this one's for sure coming with me. And then this one's just a plain black denim jacket that could go with so many different things and outfits. So that one I'm gonna take with me as well. All right, next I'm gonna take sweaters. So I have like 4, and I have a couple others that I'm still debating if I should bring those or just stick with these 4 because it gets chilly in Arizona like in November, but we're leaving after for Thanksgiving break and not returning till January. So I'm still trying to decide if I should take these for that month of November or just wait and bring these back after break when I need them in January and February. But these ones are all really cute for student teaching, so that's what I'm thinking. I might just take them with me because for those virtual student teaching meetings when I want to be cozy in the house, I think these would be good for that. So I just have this jumper from Princess Polly, this one from Zaful. I always get compliments on this, and then this one's from Princess Polly, and then Urban Outfitters. So I love all these sweaters. So now I just think I convinced myself to take all of them. Along with this one, this is kind of like a shirt sweater situation, but I always get compliments on this. I made a TikTok while wearing this shirt, and like majority of the comments are all asking where this top is from, and it's from Nasty Gal. And by the way, follow me on TikTok because I'm making a lot of the content that I put out on here on TikTok, so in just like a minute or less, so go check me out there. But yeah, this one is from Nasty Gal. Everyone always asks about this one, and it's super cute. Okay, next is like a couple black dresses for like chapter meetings and stuff, because you need to wear black dresses for that. And then this plain black dress, because it's really nice to have like a simple plain black dress in your closet. So I actually have a couple of them because I realized that's great to have. And then I also have shirts, like I said, for virtual student teaching and stuff. So I have a couple of tops that I also hauled in my back to school clothing haul for that, because I can't just be in like my normal loungewear. Like I want to have like a nice top and everything. So I am bringing shirts for that. Plain white t-shirts are a must. I also mentioned this in my video last year, but plain white t-shirts go with literally everything, so highly recommend packing a plain white t-shirt. And then I have this whole rack full of like tank tops and crop tops and tube tops that I normally wear often, so we'll see if I'm actually gonna wear these this year, because last year I brought a lot of them and only wore a couple for going out, and since going out really isn't an option this semester pretty much, I don't know if I should bring all of them. But yeah, so I'm still trying to figure out how many pieces of these tops to bring along with the bodysuits. But also I'm gonna bring a couple of accessories like this ring chain belt, and I think I'm gonna get rid of one of them. Also, follow me on Poshmark. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of my stuff in my closet. I have the link down below my description box as always. But yeah, I'm trying to get rid of a lot of my clothing as well before I go back. So yeah, I'll check out that. And then purses, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm gonna bring a couple of purses with me. I actually got a rack this year, or like a organizer to put in my closet to organize all my purses. I didn't have that last year and I really needed it. So I got that from the Container Store this year, just so all my bags could be on like one rack and be all organized. So I'm excited about that. So definitely gonna bring a few purses with me. And then now for shoes, I'm going to be taking my Doc Martens. I got these for Christmas last year and only had the opportunity to wear them once in March for Vegas. So I really want to wear these some more whenever I get the chance to. So I'm going to take these because I love them. Take your favorite sneakers. These are my white Air Force Ones that I wear all the time. And then my Vans, which are easy to just slip on. I'm also taking a few sandals. So Birks I also always wear just to quickly slip on. My rainbows for like if I'm going to the pool or something. And these are what I wear for student teaching typically, so I'm gonna bring those just in case. And then I'm going to take two booties just in case I need them, because normally I wear booties all the time, a few times every single week literally. So I have these brown ones and these black ones, both from Target, and then these nude heels also just in case I need some heels. So yeah, taking those along with these other cute sandals, these two strap sandals and these wedges, because just in case, because who knows if I'll need them. And then also some running shoes. So these ones I'm gonna try and replace this year and just order some plain white ones off of Amazon. And then also slippers. I always wear slippers, so those are gonna be the shoes I bring with me. I'm trying to take like half the shoes I normally would bring, but it's still difficult because you're like, what if I do need this? So that's like the struggle that I'm having right now. But yeah, that's pretty much the main stuff I'm bringing with me. I'm going to now go through everything and start putting it in bins. And just a pro tip is try putting mostly everything that would go in one drawer together in a box. So when I go to move in, or when you go to move in, you know, okay, this whole thing, just put it in this one drawer, so you're not going through different boxes trying to get everything in its place, and it's way smoother of a move-in. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try and do now. I have 1 week to go and pack everything and move in, so stay tuned for more pack with me vlogs. I'm gonna probably film another one before I go back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.